Hello everyone, Adam Jackson here today, and today I'm going to be showing you Windows Help. Now, if you ever need any help and you can't find a video or document online, or you just don't know how to do it, you can get help right within the Windows operating system without even have to click on the internet. To do that, you just hit hotkey F1, and it brings up the Windows Help and Support. Click the middle button here, the Maximize button, to make this bigger, and then you can start searching things. So if I want to search, I don't know, I search hotkeys, and you can see it brings up 30 results, best 30 results for hotkeys, and you can click down here and get 30 more results for hotkeys. And maybe I want to learn about using the calculator, sure. And now it's brought me to this document about using the calculator. Now, if I want to get back to the Windows Home, the Windows Help and Support Home, I can click this button up here. That brings me back to the home. Now, if I want to get back to the document I was just on, I can click this arrow here. And now if I want to go back further, I can click it again. But maybe I want to go back to the calculator article now, so I click this button again, and now I'm back here. The text may be something you'd like to keep, so you can click the print button up here, and I don't actually have a printer connected to this computer, but you could print it out and then you'd have the document on paper. Now, there are other ways to get help. If you click the Ask button up here, it'll give you a lot of information about where you can go. And then there's one other button up here called Browse Help. Now, this means this is basically a way to go through all the documents without searching. So I can click Security and Privacy and Installing Windows Updates, and it brought me to this document on Windows Updates. Now, let's say this text is too small for me to read. I can go into Options and go to Text Size, and I can click like Largest. And now it's like really big, really easy to read. But maybe it's too big. Maybe I want it smaller, so you can go to here and smaller. And depending on what you want, you can make it smaller or bigger, like that. And now, the other functions and options are Print, which is the same as this button, Browse Help, which is the same as this button, and Find on this page. So now on this page, you can see there's lots of stuff, and there's this thing called Firewall. Now, if I want to find something about the firewall, I can type in firewall right here, and you can see right there, it's highlighted on this page. Now, if I go into here and I go into using Windows Firewall, whatever, and I wanna look for something that says set up. Now, you can see there's nothing highlighted here. There's no, and it also says it down here, no matches found, and there's nothing here. But if I just do set up, again, nothing found. A lot of times removing spaces can be helpful, especially if your word can be separate or together. But you can see if I just do set, then there are some sets here. And you see it even does the little text down here. And yeah. Now there's one more option, that's the settings. You can use online help, which is apparently recommended. And then there's this program here. If you don't know a lot about computers, you may not want to do this, but you may if you want. And then there's the privacy statement online if you wish to do that. And that's just about it for the help and support. There's just one more thing. If you want to find help with your help and support, just type in help, and there's a lot of documents here. You can go to Getting Help, and that shows you all about this, pretty much most of the stuff I covered in the video. And then Get the Latest Help content talks about how to get the latest content. And there's a bunch of other stuff here. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found some useful stuff, and have a good day.